Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 400 Pro and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So let's start with opening the dialer. Basically this is the place where we can enter all of those codes, and I'd like to start with the longest one, so we will downgrade to the shortest. So the first code is *## 2846579 ####. And here we are in the project menu. So basically what we can do here is to check your device. So for example, you can restore the factory settings. So be aware about that. We can check the battery. So for example, whether the charge was completed, the exact level, the temperature of the battery. I think it is quite useful, especially if you've got the feeling that something is wrong with, for example, the indicator here, that it does not correspond with the actual state of your battery. Then here you can check it, and for sure here you will have the relevant information. So here you've got the software upgrade. You can tap on it. You can choose it from the application or memory card. Here you've got the network information query. Veneer information. So for example, you can check the version info, and here you've got some technical information which could be useful in certain situations, and the background settings. So for example, you can manage the USB port or AP log settings. Okay, let me go back. So that was the longest code. Now let's enter a slightly shorter one, and for sure much easier one. It is *###, 4 O's, ####. And here we are in the section about phone. So basically here you can check the IMEI number, hardware version, build number, model, etc. So a really technical code. Another code will open the diagnostic information. It is *### 426 ####. And here we are in the diagnostic. So here we should be able to check the server, host, port, time connected. You can tap on events, and here we've got some further details. After tapping on the 3 dots icon in the right upper corner, you can show advanced view. Just tap on it and tap on the status again, and here we've got much more information. So for example, the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. Let's go back, and another code which is connected with the calendar information, and to be specific, with the count of the events. It is *###, sorry, *###, 225 ####. And as I said, we are in the calendar information. So here we've got the events which are gathered in one place, and they are divided between different sections. We can check some family events, holidays in your country, or events attached to your mail. Unfortunately, we are not able to enter specific sections. So here we can just, for example, check the number of specific events attached to or included in the section. And the last code, which is also probably the most known and the shortest in this video, it is *### 06#. And here we've got the IMEI number of this device, and we can also check the serial number. So it is the fastest way to get into that information. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.